So here queen h8. So I have to sacrifice my bishop because I have a extra piece, and so here is the position I was playing live. And just I will go back some moves, 2 moves ago, and that was my bad position. My queen. Okay, just going back. So here my queen almost trapped, you see, after knight f4, f5, f4, bishop c8 is coming. So I need to make a plan. So I want to capture on e5, but he captured my knight, and then I am relieved actually. So I take the bishop on c4. He goes back, protecting the pawn, but it is not under attack now. But he missed a nice tactics, 2100 rated on leeches. But I spotted that and I was laughing that time because of the pin on the f7 pawn, bishop c4, and I captured on g6, and I am a piece up totally. But you see my time 2 or 3 minutes down, so bishop c5 is played, just attacking my f2 pawn. But I need to be careful because my queen is hanging there. But I see another attack on a6. Yeah, bishop captures a6, and it's a mating pattern now because of the, again it's a pin on the g7 pawn. So it's only move knight to e8, save the mate. So now I want to bring my other forces. Still he cannot capture my queen on g6 because of my c4 bishop there, and the pawn is still pinned. Both pawns are pinned, just the ace f7 and g7. So I'm bringing my knight to a3. Then if he cannot captures, I'm going to hit the g7 pawn again, but he moved the king to h8. So I say, yeah, I can capture maybe because I have extra piece. I want to weaken his king, and because my queen is hanging now, I have to capture and have a check, force, find the forcing move. He captured with the knight, and I cannot capture. I have to go for a check. Queen is 6, and the king again on the same, only square. G4, and it's a checkmate. If the bishop not come here, so bishop f e7 is the only move maybe to prevent my knight. Then he can capture, but he played queen. We don't see queen is, so now he must sack the queen. I think you can easily understand because it's a knight check on f6. King has no square, so queen captures. So I'm now winning. Totally a bad position turned after some tactical blow. So another tactics, just wait guys, and I'm hitting also because I'm playing here because fast as I have only 1 minute in my clock. 1 minute. So another tactics he can capture, and he resigned also. And if he captures the rook f7, then I will capture the free rook on e8. So that's why my opponent understand that he's going to lose an exchange, but I was afraid of the rook and bishop attack on f2 pawn. Just he can capture and get my exchange and get an exchange on capturing my rook on e8, e1. So, but he is also now losing something, and his queen king goes open because my queen is better. So just try to make a recap of the moves. So just my opponent opening was so bad. I was just setting up the video recording. Yes, but yeah, anyway, I played an exchange on e5. You see, just making an a pawn, just weakening, trying to weaken his b pawn. sorry guys for my street dog fighting is going on. So he attacked my bishop on c4. Yeah, it's a good move, but he saw a free pawn. He captured the free pawn. So his knight again goes active, and on c5 my knight goes back. My bishop goes back to a7, a2, my knight goes to d1. So all pieces are now in the back rank. And I was just saving the pawn on e4. His bishop attacking me. Knight goes back. Another bishop joining to attack my queen. And so I'm just making my room for my queen, and just there is nothing, only queen on the g4. There is no piece. There's the bishop on a2. And bad move playing knight 2. So I see this also already analyzed, and so now the attack going on. Just showing it as all in the full game now, you can see. And hope you like my video guys and my gameplay, and thanks for all supporters. Just I'm so close to 1300 subscribers, 9 subscribers needed, or 6 subscribers. So hope you watch my video and try to make a comment if you like my video, and encourage me to make more video content, because my live stream is really bad of my internet, and actually my PC is slow also. My internet speed also. So maybe I'm going to make finding a new connection, then maybe my live stream I can not do, but I can regularly make videos in shorts or long formats. I'll try to reach you, so you should support me. So here is the class tactics, and that my opponent took 2100 on the chess result, and I also reached 2100. So hope I can reach 2200. Bye bye.